This could be good for me.
Hi, this is Jennifer, keeper, and I'm cooking some spaghetti for the family. This will be my first video. I'm making speed cleanings and DIYs and any videos I want to make on this channel. This will be my first video. I hope you'll bear with me while I get used to it. I've never done a voiceover or anything, but I'll try it. Please help me if you have any suggestions. We brought this house in 2008, and I have 2 children, and I've been married for 20 years. I use about 3 sauces and brown the hamburger. Then I mix it together. I like to clean up everything.